Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own Forky. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need 1 plastic spork, 2 googly eyes, and a red pipe cleaner for his iconic mouth. Don't forget a white pipe cleaner for his arms, some blue modeling clay for his unibrow, and a craft stick for his feet. Make sure you have strong craft glue or a hot glue gun ready for secure attachments. Now, let's start building Forky's body. Begin by securely gluing 2 googly eyes onto the top, rounded part of your plastic spork. Next, take your red pipe cleaner and bend it into a cheerful smile shape, then carefully attach it just below the googly eyes. For his arms, wrap a white pipe cleaner around the spork's middle, leaving about 2 inches extending on each side. Let's add Forky's unique features. Break a craft stick in half to make 2 equal pieces for his feet. Use blue modeling clay to form 2 small, flat bases, then press the stick halves into them. Attach these feet firmly to the bottom of your spork. Finally, roll a tiny piece of blue modeling clay into a thin line and carefully place it above Forky's googly eyes to create his signature unibrow. Congratulations, you've made your very own Forky. Before playing, ensure all components are firmly attached and allow ample drying time for any glue. You can even personalize your Forky with additional small, safe decorations if you wish. Now, you have a wonderful, handmade companion ready for adventures. Remember, every Forky is unique and special, just like yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.